First, I would like to thank everyone. I would like to thank ET. And as the topic of the session is decarbonization. So basically, stalwarts and experts have already said about it. So now let's start the our SANI presentation. Like what is SANI briefly, and then on the second part, what are we doing on the decarbonization, and what can we offer to the port industry in the decarbonization segment. So let's start with a brief history of company. SANI started in 1989 as a welding company, and within a span of around 30-35 years, it is now currently one of the largest equipment manufacturers company in the world. And it started in China and is currently working in over 180 countries around the world. So basically, we are having around 55,000 employees, and overall, we are having over 200 industrial parks, and we are having over 4 R&D centers. Currently, SANI is into leading positions into many of the equipments. Basically, in the excavator segment, we are currently number one in the world. In the concrete equipment segment, we are the number one in concrete equipment industry. We are in the reach stacker container handling segment, mobile port equipment segment. We are into currently number one into the market. So basically, as SANI, you have seen the video as well. So overall, we are into these kind of products. We are into excavations and mining. We are into port equipment segment. We are into deep foundation solutions. We are into concrete equipment solutions. We are into road building solutions. We are into compact equipment solutions. We are into hoisting solutions, and we are into earth moving solutions. This is our traditional equipment line, and in many of these equipment segment, we are already into electric or battery operated equipments like excavators. We have many excavators which are into electric. We have container handling solutions, like probably SANI is the currently the first company to have come up with comprehensive range of container handling solutions. We are into crawler cranes which are electric. We are into mining division which is also electric. Coming on to the port segment that basically I am representing, and overall SANI in the ports industry started its operation of sales and service in India in the year 2010. In 2017, we sold our first electric ERTGs to Indian market to JNPT. Then in 2019, we supplied we bagged the order of highest number of reach stackers, 25 number of reach stackers we supplied to Container Corporation of India. In 2022, finally, we became market leader in the Indian market for reach stackers. In 2022 only, we supplied our first QC crane into the Indian market to JM Bakshi. And in 2024 onwards, we continued our market leadership position. And we also became market leader in bulk cargo handling equipment for ports. And as of now, what we have achieved till 2024 September is that we have supplied over 20 number of electric reach stackers into the Indian market. Basically, as per the need of the times and need of the industry, everybody has to go sustainable, everybody has to go green, so that we can grow sustainably, and environment can be like saved for future generations. So what is the need of the hour in the equipment industry? First, we need highly efficient equipment which consumes less energy, number one. Number two, it should be eco-friendly as well, which reduces ample amount of carbon emission. Third, it should not it should also promote safety, and it should also be intelligent. You cannot talk about intelligence of the equipment in this time. So basically it is the need of the hour. And apart from that, one of the major factors that is needed to be mentioned is the cost. Overall operations cost has to be like decreased down, because as the experts were saying that initial investment cost is high. So everybody is doing business. सुबह में एक सर ने बोला कि yes धंधा करने आए हैं, we have to do this धंधा. So profit making is one of the key things that every businessman thinks upon. So basically overall operation cost should be less, so that ROI should be like more visible. Maintenance time, maintainability should be high and adaptable in the Indian working temperature range. Overall, we have sold around 1000 units of equipment globally, which is electric. I'm talking about the electric equipments only. We are basically, for container handling solutions, we are into electric reach stackers, we are into electric empty container handlers, we are into electric forklift trucks, we are into terminal tractors, and almost all of the major ports like PSA, DP World, APM Terminal, these are our clients in the electric equipment segment. So what our reach stacker is able to do, the electric reach stacker, overall it can bring your operational cost, it can save around USD $60,000 annually if you handle around 4,000 hours of operation. It is highly efficient, and it is around 16% more efficient than the contemporaries, and 22% less in energy consumption. Most important thing is कि it reduces around 42.8 tons of carbon in an year if we operate around 4,000 hours of operation. Basically these equipments are not having engine and transmission, direct motor drive is there. So it is stepless motion is there, and operator have a very unique experience and very good experience while handling these equipments. Electric empty container handler, accordingly it saves around $50,000 in 4,000 hours of operation, and we are CE and CME certified. Our design is like that only. We are able to handle 7 high with 9 tonnage capacity. We have certain number of technologies, that is automatic container positioning, automatic container identification, battery recovery system is there. Coming on to this forklift, if you use forklift in the electric forklift, so you can save around $26,000 in a year, and overall we have a lot of safety features in these equipments. There is anti-collision system is there, 360-degree pedestrian identification system is there, remote monitoring system. One of the key features that is required in the industry is you should be able to use see your equipment or observe your equipment remotely through your mobile phones in sitting in your cabin. So we have all those features, which is the need of the hour and which makes our equipment intelligent. Terminal tractor, again, it per TU's cost, if you see, it can save around 73% of the time, 73% of the cost, and energy conservation up to 15%. We have a thermal management system to ensure good battery life and lowest battery consumption. Our electric terminal tractors work around 120 kilometers in one charge, and can carry 70 tons in the capacity. Already we have supplied 2 units of electric terminal tractors in the Indian market. So basically one of the things you can say, not exactly issue, but moving from traditional to electric ones, one of the challenges is ki you have a downtime higher while using the equipment. So fast charger is the need of the hour. So basically we have bring in fast charger technology to cope up with that challenge, and accordingly we are able to minimize the downtime or the charging time with these fast chargers. We are using lithium iron phosphate batteries, which has a very high thermostability, and it is tested in you can say 800 degrees centigrades, and it is from of the same manufacturer CATL, CATL, which supplies the battery to the Tesla car manufacturers. We have a very good thing that has come. Battery swapping technology is also there to reduce the overall downtime and switching time. Basically in the traditional industry, like 10 to 12 minutes it takes to refuel the equipment. With battery swapping technology, what we were talking about in the previous slides, that you have to give some hours of charging, like 100 minutes or 90 minutes, based on the battery capacity and the equipment capabilities. So basically we have a battery swapping technology as well. We have already employed these features in our terminal tractors, and we are on the way to put it into our reach stackers as well. So now key updates and which are interesting up to this date. SANY is probably, as I said, the first company to come up with this kind of battery operated equipments, not just in the port equipment segment, but into many of the equipment segment, which into the construction sector. So basically with our reach stackers, we have electric reach stackers, we have already worked over 35,000 hours in India जब से हमने supply किया है. We have already handled around 6.5 lakh containers in India. We have already reduced carbon emissions of around 3,59,520 kgs, and with our SANY electric reach stackers, users have already saved around 50 lakh $4,000. So basically, thank you for listening me up.